My name is Dima Cordunianu, and I'm the Managing Director of Megagen Implants UK, which is one of the big players in the implant industry around the world and currently is present in around 100 countries. So our core business is supplying dentists and dental laboratories with dental implants and components that relate to dental implants. We have been active in the UK since 2011, and we have started small, then we were obviously growing. We started, or inherited rather, a ERP system which was common at that time. We realized that we are outgrowing our current ERP, and we started looking around. We knew already that we wanted Dynamics 365 Business Central. We almost accidentally stumbled on Tecman. What Tecman brought was basically two things. One, a deep and profound understanding of the product, and second, a process in which it was paramount to understand the business first before you propose a tailored solution. We have been allocated a lead consultant. That lead consultant basically made an X-ray of the whole operational side of our business. We use Business Central for all our operations, so all the invoices, stock, purchase invoices. BC acts as a backbone for all the other softwares that we use and that pull information from inside BC. Another piece of software that we needed was a web shop that would be integrated with ERP and would be able to cover our necessities as a B2B business, and this is how we came to Sana. Again, it was relying on the backbone of the software, and all the calculations and operations and discounts and everything was done by BC, and Sana was talking to BC directly. Another important piece of software that we were in need for our operations was a good CRM that would talk directly to the ERP and draw data from there. There is a lot of information going on and around, and all of this information we had to somehow organize, store it, and make good use of it. So this is what we use the CRM for. It's the main notebook of our sales managers. Power BI is one of the greatest tools to get your data in a readable format, basically. We basically monitor all the sales on all the levels, from the customer level, on the product level, on the category level, on the territory level, on the sales representative level, on the postcode level. So we use a lot of data. By having a suite of applications that talk to each other, we'll deliver endless possibilities for the businesses to develop seamlessly and effortlessly. We are known as a very technology-focused company. We were one of the first companies in the UK to implement digital dentistry specific to implant surgery. I think our desire to make use of technology to improve people's lives is what bridges the different technologies that we use, either for the digital planning or for the internal processes. So we're just trying to make technology work for us and not the other way around.